President Kenyatta uri okoretwo ari muikariri giti wa ruhonge rwa guthuurima na guthingatithia wuigiririku mwathanire-ini mwega gitaru-ini kia Africa nikio Africa Peer Review Mechanism ni atugiritie wuigiririku uri uthingatithitio ni ruhonge ruu mabururi-ini ma Africa.
The committee will be joined by representation.
Akiaria mucini munene wa Ethiopia Addis Ababa hindi ya kiungano kia 30 kia mabururi ma Africa, President augite makinya maria gitaru kia Africa gitacukitie ni megukinyaniria uiguano na unyitaniru wa kiwonjoria ituri-ini ciothe cia Africa. Akimurika maciaro ma utongoria wake ruhonge-ini ruu kwa ihinda ria miaka 2 mihituku, President augite mabururi ma Djibouti, Senegal, Chad, Sudan, Kenya na Uganda ni mamwe ma mabururi maria mathurimitwo.
The mechanism also tabled APRM review reports of Mali, Sierra Leone, Tanzania, Zambia, and Mozambique at the Pan-African Parliament's meeting in Sharm el-Sheikh, Egypt, in October of 2016. These efforts are critical in ensuring that our legislators benefit from the novel best practices that emanates from the review.
Oho mugathe niagathiriirie ikundi rikoretwo ikinyitanira na urumwe wa mabururi ma Africa ta Bengi ya Africa, UNDP na ingi akiuga hari na bata wa anyiti itemi othe kunyitanira niguo gukinyaniria cioneki cia muingi wa Africa. Riu President anegeranite utongoria wa ruhonge ruu kuri President Idris Deby wa Chad akiuga ari na mwihoko wa uthii wa nambere makiria kugacirithio. Okaideni okau First Lady Margaret Kenyatta yeranire kugacirithia mihang'o ya kuhurana na murimu wa mukingo gitaru-ini kia Africa na makiria guku bururi-ini. Akiaria kigomano-ini kia 20 kia atumia ma president bururi-ini wa Ethiopia, First Lady ni augite ni kiha kuona murimu uyu no uthiete na mbere na gutherema na njira nene makiria kuri atumia na ciana na thengi ya gukorwo kuri na njira cia kwigiririria.
Concerned that most new cases of HIV in children are under 15 years old are caused by mother-to-child transmission. Concerned that a quarter of all adults newly infected with HIV are young women of reproductive age, placing their future offspring at risk.
Margaret Kenyatta ni ogerire kuga murimu uyu niguo gukorwo akimurika kwa ihinda ria miaka 5 yukite thiini wa kampeni yake ya Beyond Zero.